are going up every day. But I mean, the government, the police, the doctors, they're doing their best to make sure that it doesn't spread. But again, it's our responsibility as citizens to make sure that we follow discipline and make sure that we stay indoors.
Yeah,
That's what government and the cops are asking us to do. So just follow the guidelines, and it'll be easier for everyone then. But some places people are not following the guidelines. People are going out, so that is not helping. But yeah, I hope the situation in the next few weeks settles down a little bit, because otherwise it will be a problem for us going forward. If we cannot contain the situation right now, it will be a big problem. So I hope that we can stay indoors, follow the guidelines of the government, and stay disciplined.
yeah,
How
yeah. So
Bangladesh? What is the
it's quite
situation there?
similar. Quite similar, Rohit bhai. It's just the problem with our country, and same goes for India, because we have so many people who earns daily. Uh, we cannot uh, go completely lockdown. So the government is doing their best, and we try to do that in for a month, and then at the moment we are trying to open some sectors slowly, so at least they can take care of the poor people. So that's the problem, especially in Asia. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I know. We have the population is very hard to control, and you can't control everybody, and that is where the discipline and everything needs to come into the picture. And once we follow the guidelines, hopefully we will be able to control this situation. If we don't follow, then it'll be damn tough for
Problem,
everybody,
yeah.
whether it's government or police, cops, or the doctors. We just need to make sure that 10-15 दिन के लिए हम घर के अंदर बैठे. अगर वो 10-15 दिन हम घर में बैठेंगे, तो आई थिंक जो सिचुएशन जो आगे आगे जा रहा है वो थोड़ा सा स्टेबल हो जाएगा. एंड इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट
Right.
फॉर नॉट जस्ट यू एंड मी, but for
Yeah.
everybody to make sure that we control that situation.
Yeah, yeah, very true, very true. So, Rohit bhai, first of all, you are very kind enough to accept my invitation. So I was doing I've been doing this show with my fellow teammates, and then just on Wednesday I did it with Puff. It's just to entertain people for an hour, because we people are going through a lot of problems, and then this lockdown. Uh, and so this was my idea to entertain
Yeah,
people for at least for an hour.
yeah, it's a,
Sometimes
it's
if
a, it's a very good idea. People talking to each other from different countries. It's something for people also to look forward to, and hear what we have to talk about. When we are playing, it's a different story, but when we are off the field, we are all friends. So it's always nice. I was talking to a few of my teammates. I spoke to a few of the guys from the outside as well. So it was nice. It was nice. People are liking the chat, and it's nice for us to give something back to the people in times like this. It's very important.
very true, very true. Rohit bhai, I don't know if you know this or not, but you have a huge fan following in Bangladesh. People just absolutely loves you,
Oh, keep
especially the way
always, keep
keep
always.
always, keep always. They say a lot of good things about you. They say a lot of good things about you, and so I'll ask something about cricket. I'm sure a lot of people wants to know how you deal with your things, and
Yeah, yeah.
especially me and my and some of my teammates also wants to know this. Is this especially you have been doing so well, mashallah, in ODI format and Test as well. So what's the mindset? What do you think about when you go to bat? Like, do you try to attack from the ball one, or you take your time? What's how about it?
Um, no, I see. I started. I was not a regular opener. I started opening in 2013 during Champions Trophy in England. That was the first time I ever started opening the batting for India. उसके पहले एक दो बार ओपन किया था, कोई कोई मैचेस में जहाँ पे रेगुलर ओपनर को इंजरी हो गया था. And then I started opening the batting in 2013 regularly for India. Mindset. I made a lot of mistakes initially in my career. The first 5 6 years when I was batting in the middle order, I made a lot of mistakes. और जो सबके साथ होता है. You know, when you come into the international arena, you are bound to make mistakes early on in your career. But I have realized those mistakes is not going to take me anywhere. So I have to think about my game. I have to bring some discipline into my game, and that's what I did. Opening the batting. Now you are also an opener. तो कुछ कुछ चीजें हैं जो बैटिंग करते वक्त मैं ध्यान में रखता हूँ. आई लाइक टू टेक माई टाइम इनिशियली, और वहाँ पे मुझे शिखर धवन का हेल्प होता है. शिखर धवन इज नेचुरली वेरी अटैकिंग प्लेयर. He likes to play ground shots. He doesn't like to play aerial shots, but he likes to play ground shot, and that is his strength to find gaps. So I try and give a lot of strike to him initially. और ये सब सोच के मैं बैटिंग करता हूँ. My job is to bat as long as possible till about 45 or 40th over if possible. That is what I think when I bat. And yeah, especially when we are batting first, I don't like to take too much risk. Okay. I like to because I know towards the end I can consolidate and I can accelerate the scoring rate. But initially, I just want to give a lot of strike to Shikhar, and especially like I know if we are chasing more than 300, 350, then the plan is very easy. I know what to do. Then it's not about Shikhar Dhawan only hitting the ball. I have to also hit the ball.
Yeah.
So I've understood that, and I try and not make too many mistakes.
Yeah. That is so I'm sure if like everyone else, do you feel nervous? Do you doubt yourself sometimes?
Of course, nervousness will be part of your life till the time you are playing. Even nervousness comes even if you're not playing. In normal life, also you feel nervous. But as long as you're playing cricket, you will be nervous. Whether it's your first game, whether it's your 300 game, you will always be nervous. And people who say I'm not nervous, they will be lying for sure. Because nervousness is not getting scared. Nervousness is about going out there and performing. Because हमको हर मैच में परफॉर्म करना अच्छा लगता है. We have to score runs. We have to make our team win. तो उस चीज का नर्वसनेस रहता है. नर्वसनेस का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप डर गए हो या you don't want to take the challenge. But nervousness is there. It will be constant till the time you are playing. I am always nervous when I am playing whichever format I am playing. I am always nervous. Honestly, for first 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I am always nervous. एक बार आपने, if you spend enough time on the crease, the nervousness starts to fade away a little bit.
True. I think as an opener, I think the worst thing that is you recently started opening in test matches. I don't know if you have done it much or not, which is to bat for 2 overs when the other team gets bowled out and you have to walk in for 2 overs.
I have not done
is the worst thing. Is the worst thing.
I know. अभी तक मेरा टाइम आया नहीं है उसका. मैंने अभी I have played only 5 test match, opening the batting, 3 against South Africa and 2 against you guys. But हाँ, मुझे पता है कि कितना tough time होता है. It's very tough when the opposition gets all out 15-20 minutes before the end of day's play and you have to go and bat 2 overs. It's a tough time. It's the hardest time that you have to bat. अभी वो सब मेरे करियर में आएगा, मुझे पता है.
So there's a very funny. So there's a very funny story regarding this. So I was talking to my coach. I said, you don't consider us openers as a batsman, do you? He said why? He said because you have a night watchman for number 3, but you never send a night watchman for an opener. Why is that?
हमारे पास no, it's a good one. I mean, you always think when you have to play 2 overs, you would rather send a night watchman with a regular opener. But problem ये है कि you can't send 2 night watchmen.
True.
So the thing is, if अभी let's say you and me, we go to bat. अगर आपके लिए अगर night watchman दिया तो मुझे गुस्सा आएगा. अगर मेरे लिए दिया तो आपको गुस्सा आएगा.
True.
So it's always like that. So which is why I don't think the openers take the night watchman. You know.
Yeah, I think England recently did it in Ashes. I think where I think Jason Roy didn't came out to bat, someone else did.
Acha, acha. I mean, I don't think it's a bad option.
Yeah,
It's a good, it's a tactical option. So I don't mind taking that option if it comes in the future. It's a
yeah,
it's again it's not that you're getting scared. It's just being smart. You're smart.
yeah, big,
You're putting your team into good position. Next day, who knows? Things will be different.
yeah, true. And especially in those 2-3 overs, you have everything to lose, less to
Yeah,
achieve.
correct. And you know how it is. The fielders are all over you. They are
Yeah,
standing. One is like there are 9 guys standing in front of your face. So it's
yeah,
not easy. You're nervous. एक mistake, एक गलती हो गया, then you are out. And suddenly next day, the pressure is on the other batsman, your regular batsman who comes to bat. The pressure is on him. And why unnecessarily create that pressure? If you have the option, you take it. I mean,
yeah,
it's a
true.
good one
True. Even the
actually. We
even
have to.
उसको bowler को भी पता है that you're not going to attack him. You're only going to survive. So
Yeah,
yeah, so
exactly.
this is something to think about for openers.
Yeah, all the 12 balls that we have to
Yeah,
face, it will be all variation. We know that.
yeah,
अगर इंडिया में या बांग्लादेश में आप खेल रहे हो, तो we know
yeah,
there will be spinners bowling the
yeah,
fir- the 2 overs, so they can try all the options. They can bowl carom ball, ulta, pulta, जो भी होता है सब. They can try everything. The batsman is under pressure.
yeah. True, true. Yeah, true. Uh, yeah. So I got a different question out of not related cricket, which is I believe you're a big Real Madrid fan. Do you?
Yes, I am.
Don't you? Yeah, yes. Me too. I'm a massive Real Madrid fan. We always in the dressing room we always fighting about Real Madrid and Barcelona because half of them are Barcelona supporters, half of them are Real Madrid supporters.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, you are a big Ronaldo fan as well.
Yeah, of course. Who doesn't love Ronaldo? Yeah, Ronaldo is the king. I mean, what he has done with his career is simply outstanding. You have to bow down and just applaud whatever he has achieved in his career, because it's not easy. The background that he came from. He's had a very rough time at the start, and
Yeah,
I appreciate all these people who have had a hard time in their career at the start, they and towards the end they've gone on to make very big out of whatever opportunities
yeah,
there.
yeah. And I was very lucky during 2017 Champions Trophy. So they were playing the Champions League final in
I
Cardiff.
know.
So I
Cardiff,
went to I went to see that match. It was amazing. The
Oh,
atmosphere
wow.
was like unreal, unreal.
Yeah, I know. I mean, we were, if I'm not wrong, I don't know where we were, but I remember talking to a few of my teammates about it, about going and watching that game. But unfortunately, yes, it couldn't happen.
Yeah, but
But
you recently visited. I saw somewhere.
I went to see El Clasico,
Great.
and it was a great experience. Real Madrid won that game. It
Oh,
was
that's good.
in
Yeah.
their home ground, Santiago Bernabeu, and yeah, it was 2-0 to Barcelona. It was a great game. I was very happy to see that game.
Yeah, true. So Rohit bhai, there is something wrong with you with Bangladesh because I told you that there are a lot of fans that loves you, but आप जो कर रहे हो हमारा साथ वो सही नहीं है क्योंकि आप if you see into मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको if you see in 2015 World Cup you got 100 in 2017 Champions Trophy you got 100 again and in 2019 World Cup you got 100 again. That credit goes to me because I dropped you.
Yeah, they are.
By
Yes.
Rohit bhai, you have no idea. मेरे को जो क्या troll किया उसके बाद. Till now I have to listen that drop catch I have done. So it was like it was a nightmare for me. But sometimes people doesn't understand that these kind of things happens.
Yeah, I see. When you're playing a match, everybody is trying to win the game. The team, your players, they are trying to give full effort to win the match. Nobody goes out there purposely to drop catch or not play so well. Everybody wants to play well and they want to win
Yeah.
the game. But I mean, India and Bangladesh, the people, the cricket fans are passionate about the game. So every
Yes.
time we make mistakes, we are also criticized by everyone, not just the media, but also the people who are watching the game. And
Yeah.
I'm very sure it's the same there because I've been to Bangladesh myself and I've seen how passionate everyone are in Bangladesh to watch the game, especially
Yeah.
at the
True.
ground. When we come to the ground to play the match, it's unbelievable because India is not used to not having support at the ground, and Bangladesh is the only place where we don't get any support.
Yes. Yes. You know,
Maybe we will have 100, 200 people sitting there, but anywhere in the world we go, we get support.
Yeah.
We get a lot of people
Yes.
coming and watching the match, but Bangladesh is the only place where we don't get any support.
No,
So
no.
yes,
They back us. They back us completely. Our support is
yeah,
like
no, I've
it's.
seen it. I've seen it,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
hats off to each one of them, yeah, who come and watches the game.
Yeah.
I know how much they enjoy the game and how much they want you guys to win the match. And now what Bangladesh team is from what it was 15 years ago or 10 years ago. This is a totally different Bangladesh team now.
Yeah.
I feel each one of you guys, when you come out to play, there is a purpose, there is a sense of eagerness in you guys. So it's a different Bangladesh team now.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's just not me saying that. Everybody says that, and
Yeah.
we have seen with your performances also during this World Cup and all the tournaments that you guys have played in the last 2-3 years. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just go back to 2019 World Cup, the game against India, when I actually dropped you, and then for उसके बाद से I was praying to God. I said, भाई इसको कोई तरह से out कर दो, कोई तरह से out कर दो. So I did that till you reach 40, and then I said, I know what's going to happen. And then that was the particular over there where you took off. You hit one of our spinners for 2 sixes, and then it was never looking back.
Yeah. I know. I remember that.
Yeah. It was good.
It was like, yeah. I see. I feel when things are not going your way, somebody takes a blinder, a solid catch, a one-hander, and then sometimes you don't get a good decision from the umpire when things are not going your way, and suddenly when you want to make the most when things are going your way, and that day was my day. Can you hear me? Have we lost?
Sorry, I lost you for a bit here.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, that's
no.
right.
So I was only talking about when things are not going your way, you get a bad decision from the umpire. कोई ऐसे ही एक हाथ से अच्छा कैच पकड़ लेता है तुम्हारा, तुम रन आउट हो जाते हो. So when things are going your way, you have to make the most of it. So I think when you drop my catch, that is what I was thinking कि अभी तो यार मेरे को करना पड़ेगा यार. I have to score big.
Yeah. Rohit, I always wanted to ask you this. Just as a player, is भाई आपको 100 का बाद क्या हो जाता है? कोई भूत प्रेत कुछ आ जाता है आपका अंदर? You just keep on going. What's the thing in it?
No, it's just that see, जैसे मैंने अभी start होते वक्त बोला कि when you're starting the innings you are nervous. तो एक बार आपका 100 रन हो जाता है, उसके बाद तो पूरा एंजॉय करना चाहिए आपको. वो नर्वसनेस सब चला जाता है. तो वो जो स्टॉप आफ्टर यू गेट 100, it's your time, it's your it's your game. Unless you make a mistake, you are not going to get out. So that is what I think. And मुझे पता है कि यार जब आपका टाइम अच्छा नहीं है तो आप आउट होते रहते हो, अच्छे बॉल पे आउट होते हो, खराब बॉल पे आउट होते हो, यू विल गेट अ बैड डिसीजन. सो I remember all those things after scoring 100. After once I go past 100, I think about all those things, how to make the most. Uh, and after scoring 100, it's like, it's impossible for you to get out unless you make a mistake. So मैं मैं बार बार अपने आप से वही बात करता हूँ जब बीच में रहता हूँ तो.
But you don't think like I have to go all out now. You still
No.
take you still look for that particular
Yeah.
bowler to yeah.
हाँ मतलब unless 43rd 44th ओवर तक मैं बैटिंग कर रहा हूँ, then I will think कि अभी I have to hit every ball. Till let's say till 40th over I look to play normal cricket. मतलब
Okay.
if I see the ball I will hit the ball. But after 40th over or 42nd over, then I will try to hit every ball, depending on who's batting also with me. If I'm batting with a tailender, then I will probably not take that chance. If I'm batting with the middle order batsman who's set and there is another batsman to come, then I will take that chance little early.
Yeah. Rahul bhai, tell me something about Raghu. Because I've seen him. Yes, I've seen him from outside. I remember I was batting in England during the Champions Trophy in a practice session. So I was on the side net. Dhoni Bhai was on the middle net, and Raghu was throwing to Dhoni Bhai. He looks rapid. He is.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think he was throwing at 150 easily. So tell me something about him.
No, he's very fast. He is also very passionate about cricket. He loves cricket. Uh, he's left everything and he's come to help the team from nowhere. Actually, he's got a family, very young family, and he's not left his family and come. I'm saying when he was little, when he was young,